It is Saturday morning, the day before Mother's Day, and I'm going to do something kind of fun. So I got my mother a wonderful Mother's Day gift this year. She had been asking for it. Me and my girlfriend split the cost of it. It is a Kindle Paperwhite. This is a Kindle. It's got the e-ink display, but it's also got a built-in light for reading in the dark at night. Now, my mother is not the most tech-savvy individual on the face of the earth. So this Kindle is inevitably, as soon as I give it to her and she opens it, it's going to wind up back in my hand to get everything set up. So what I'm actually going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to get her account set up on it, get all the books downloaded for her, get it all charged up, and then repack it so that when she opens it on Mother's Day, it's good for her to go. She can just turn it on and start reading. Anyway, this is the Kindle Paperwhite. It says here that it is the 7th generation Kindle. It's got the USB charging cable, built-in rechargeable battery. It is the model with special offers. I got it on sale for $100. It's got Wi-Fi, 4 gigs of storage. It's readable in daylight. It's got a touch display with a pixel density of 300 ppi. And like I said, it's got a lot. So I'm very excited to open this up. We're just going to slide that out. Now, this does have the frustration-free packaging, but I brought a razor anyway because I just want to repack it as neatly as I can when all is said and done. So we're just going to go ahead and pop that there and lift it up. Oh, we got that nice blue inside the lid. And there we have the Kindle Paperwhite. That is a nice little device. Going to set this to the side for a moment. So then inside the packaging underneath of that you have a getting to know your Kindle, and this is just a sheet that explains how to connect the charger, and then this is the charging cable itself. I think it should have enough battery for me to get it set up before I charge it, but we'll see. Alright, so this is a nice little device. I have a Kindle that I use, and I've been using the same Kindle for years. I still haven't upgraded. I have the Kindle 3rd generation, which is known now as the Kindle keyboard. It's a little bit bigger. I think it's got the same size display, but it's got the keyboard on it. But this is what the Kindle looks like, and it's got that e-ink display, and you can see that there's not horrible glare on it. Really not too bad. You can read in sunlight. It's just like reading paper. So we're going to go ahead and hit the power button here, and let's see. Oh, and you can see it illuminates when we do that. There we go. See, it's got that light. It's got that glow. It's there's a light right down in there, and I believe on the top as well, maybe? Or it might just be the bottom. I'm not entirely sure, but there's the Kindle startup screen. Right. Okay. So it wants us to pick a language. That's going to be your first step that it's going to do. It's just going to say, what language do you want? We're going to go ahead and select English, United States. Next. Now we're at a loading screen. So the e-ink display is interesting because it does animate there a little bit. But I think what it's actually doing is just refreshing the page over and over again. Because that's how these Kindles actually work. They refresh the page. Here we go. So now it's going to take us to our Getting Started screen. It says Kindle Paperwhite, high resolution, 300 ppi display, built-in light, weeks of battery life, get started. So we're going to go ahead and connect it to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it's connecting to Amazon, and it wants me to register the Kindle, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that registered to her account. And typing on this really is not bad at all. I'm actually really surprised how responsive the screen is. I like it. Alright, so now the Kindle's been registered to her account. I'm not going to show you her information, but we're going to hit continue setup. We're not going to link any social accounts. Alright, so now it's going to show us how to navigate the Kindle. The toolbar at the top of the screen will help you navigate the Kindle, and it shows you a little picture. On the top, tap on home to find your library and discover new books. Back will retrace your steps. And again, it shows us the picture of that. Tap on quick actions to adjust your brightness, turn off airplane mode, sync your Kindle. So now it's updating the home experience. And I said earlier, this has the special offers. You can see here right at the bottom of the screen, it's got these little banner ads. Basically what they do is they make the Kindles a little cheaper and they just put these ads on them. And then I believe the lock screen, also features the ads. And I don't find them to be intrusive at all. They don't show up inside of the books. So how can I get mad at that? Yeah, all of her stuff is synced over. And when you're going through books, you can just swipe through the pages and it'll go through. Oh, you can just tap the right side of the screen. Okay, that makes sense. You just tap and it goes through. Okay. Yeah, so that's the reading experience on the Kindle. Of course, you can do things like change the font, size, all that good stuff. You got all those different options that you can do. And it'll even... Oh, it even lets you show you the, you can customize the reading progress. So anyway, that is how you unbox and set up a Kindle Paperwhite. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and just charge this and get it all repacked up so that come Mother's Day, or if Mother's Day is already passed when this video goes up, her Paperwhite is already set up for her and she can just jump in to using it. If you guys want to follow me on social media, you can do so, twitter.com/Dan Stransky. I'm on Instagram, HollywoodLights1992. If you click here, there should be a video of whatever my most recent upload is, and here should be a video that I have selected. I believe I could be getting my sides wrong, but there will definitely be videos here. Click on those to watch more content. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, this is Dan, signing off.